Hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior Design. So thank you for the support that you are giving me. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. So here we have a 4-bedroom house. It has a four bedroom, kitchen, dining and sitting room. It has a public toilet. So come in as I take you to an empty house tour. So this is our main corridor. As you can see, we have finished the interior, but it has a little bit of final touches that is not yet complete, but it has at least somewhere. In 1 week, I think it will be okay. So we have installed these beautiful hanging rods. There are two, one there, and the other one that it's there. So it has some two wall brackets. As you can see, the other one is from as you enter from the door. It has one wall bracket, and then the other one it is at the back there. So we have installed a snake light. As you can see, it's running, and then it has some downlights there. And then these downlights they can they interchange. As you can see, they have some common features that they have. They are 3 in 1. So let me take you to the sitting room, and then you will see how it is. As you can see, they welcome with these beautiful pillars. As you can see, it has been done. There some molding work, and then there is a paint work that already is still ongoing. So come inside our master bedroom. This is our master bedroom. I think it's 18 by 18 feet. So as you can see, here we have this beautiful chandelier. Then there's a fan there, and then there are 3 wall brackets. The first one is here, and the second one is there, and the third one is there. So this wall bracket, they are also have 3. As you can see, it always interchange colors. As you can see now, it is red, and then the other one is red, and then the other one it is blue, and then there's another one that is tungsten, or you can call it warm white. So, and then this chandelier, it has some features. It has a Bluetooth. You can connect via your phone, or you can have a USB, and then you, after loading your songs, you can come and put there. As you can see, it is rotating, and then as you can see, it's so amazing. So let me take you to the dining room. The dining room, it has also some features the same as the one from the sitting room. It has these 2 pillars, as you can see. Already we have installed. We have done the molding work. So as you can see, these are spacious. As you can see, it can accommodate a family of, I think, even 8 people or even 10, depending on the way you will arrange your seats and your table. So as you can see, this is something. As you can see, it is not yet done, but at least we are doing something. I told you the project is not yet end. We some at least let me say a week, and then a thing will be off. We will be closing the project. So here we have installed a socket. You can, if you have a fridge, you can come and place it here. So as if you are sitting in the dining room, you can have some cold water, access some cold water to your refrigeration there. So it has some 2 wall brackets, as you can see, the first one and the second one. As you can see, it is always changing its color. And then at the center, we have installed this hanging doors. We choose to just have some, not that much bright color, but so the owner suggested we have just a blue one. We have a fan here. thing already it's working, as you can see. So as you can take even whichever hot meal or whichever any weather, you have some provision for an air conditioner and coldness there. So let me take you to the phone. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this one. This is for TV. As you can see, this is for socket for TV, and then this is for antenna, aerial outlet. You can install there. After installing here your TV, you can use this as your provision for aerial work. And then this is for another provision for the sockets. You can place you can charge there your phone or whichever. And then here you have this provision for air condition. As you can see there, they have not yet installed the air condition, but they are provision that they are there. So as the time goes, we'll install there. You see no need for people to come and then start drilling a hole on the in this wall when the project is done. So we always do early preparation for the sake of. And then you have here another double socket. When you have arranged your fix, you can charge your phone using this socket instead of maybe going through those for using that for TV. So let me take you to the bedroom and the kitchen. So as you can see, this is our interior. As you can see, the way it is. So here we have done even molding work. As you can see, we have done painted the work, the color, and then we have installed there a wall bracket as always. And then even here, as you can see, even have some. It's almost the same as the features as the ones that are in the sitting room. So at the here, as it show them, this is the part to access to the 2-bedroom, and then the kitchen as you enter by those. So as you can see the door as that, you see it's entering to our kitchen, and then here this beautiful axe enters to the first bedroom, and then it has a common toilet there, and then this is our second bedroom. So let me come to this master bedroom, and then I will show you. As you can see, there's here a small corridor that you share with the one who is entering in the master bedroom and the one who is entering at the bedroom 1 there. So let me take you to the master bedroom and see. And then I didn't show you these features of this our amazing project. As you can see, it has amazing lock system. It has 2 locking system. As you can see, you can use this one, and then even you can use this one. As you can see, you can even use this one. So whoever is in inside, it can lock when inside, and then even you can lock when you are outside. And then, as you can see, I've locked it. So as you can see, it's and then let me come and show you while you are inside. So if you are inside, you know there's no need to have those keys. You can use this. As you can see, no need to have a key. You can, as you can see, it has lock. And then if you want to open, you can use this one, and then you open. And then even you see this one. So this so beautiful. It has amazing features. So this is our master bedroom. Here this is a program controlling this lighting system for this. As you can see, this one is controlling this centerpiece. As you can see, the centerpiece, and then the centerpiece I always provide a strapping. So when you come from the door, you can come and switch off here. As you come, maybe you come from when you want to sleep, you can switch it off here. So, and then here is provision for air condition. We have provided, and then there we place our our air conditioner there. We assume that our client will place the how do you call it, the bed as it faces this direction. So as it faces the direction, and then the AC will be there. So here a beautiful structure as you can see. You have installed lightings, interior work, and then even paint work. We have installed even a fan, as you can see. There's fan, and then there is a. It has a 2-volt bracket. The first one is here, and the third one it is, and then the second one it is there. As you can see, the snake light is still running. I think I've placed in a certain mode that it operates slowly. As you can see, it is interchanging its color slow by slow. So this is our, let's say, our dressing room. As you can see, this is our dressing room. So we are, as I said, I told you earlier, I think in 1 week, I think tomorrow we buy the MDF boards, then we come and install here our cabinet. So this our cabinet will run from here, then come up to here, and then it will be like an L shape. So it will end here. And then on even opposite side, we will place there our wardrobe even. So we can use this like for the husband, and then this maybe for the wife. Whichever way they will connect. And then this is our toilet, the master bedroom toilet. It is ensuite, as you can see. So come and show the plumbing work is already done, as you can see. Even there is water, as you can see. So, but we will clean this after the project will end. I think we will clean up our structures. As you can see, there's clean water already that is running. So, and then this is our shower. As you can see, working. And then we have installed our lighting there. And then this is our toilet, as you can see. And then it has an Arabic shower. As you can see, it has some water. You can use it to wash maybe your face or whichever way you want to use. So let me take you to the other bedroom. The other bedroom, it shares one toilet, the common toilet. So this is our first bedroom. As you can see, it's quite special. It's accommodated for whichever way you will arrange them. So we have installed here, as you can see, here is our socket, and then at the top here, always this is our strapper. As the owner, maybe whoever will be sleeping here, when you come to sleep, you can just switch off there. And then here we have our socket. As you can see, we always provide 2 sockets in each room. And then this is our regulator. As you can see, the fan is called Roach, and then it has some Tuga. Then even the locking system is the same as the one you see earlier in the video. So let me take you to the third bedroom. This is our third bedroom. That's the same as the one. This one is a little bit smaller as compared to the other one. It has one window, as you can see. It has one window, and then a socket, and then a strapper. We call it the intermediate or the strapping. So as you come from the door, you can switch it off as you come to sleep. And then there's here a socket, as you can see. It's a double socket. And then the fan regulator, and then 2 gun switch. And then the smoking system is still the same. So as you can see, this is This is the entrance to the public toilet and the fourth bedroom. As you can see, this is these are the how do you, the small corridor they share. Then these are public toilet. As you can see, we have installed everything. The project, I think it's let's say like 90% done. Yeah, as you can see. So the client, if you want to maybe to extend this for the hot shower, he will change it. But as per the normal agreement, we are told to put this one. So this one it's different. So it doesn't have the other system. The other were two, but this one it's one because this is toilet. No need to put the two locking systems. So let me take you to the this one. I think it's closed, but that is the our. We have done everything. This is our workshop. As you can see, this is our workshop, and then even it has the running water. The running water, guys, it's now operating. And then when the funding for cabinet will come, for the funding for cabinet, those modules will come, you will install here the door. I think we'll cover this face with the door. And then there will be a working block. This is a working block, and then will be how do you call it? A higher level cabinet that will be running from this ends up to there. And then this is the space for the cooker. As you can see, we have installed here a cooker control. As you can see, this is a cooker socket, and then this is cooker. So it's all done. And then here we have installed a socket. As you can see, when you maybe let's say you want to blend or something, you can put it you can power on via here, and then you work as you are maybe let's say blender, but still on the working worktop. So this is our stove. This is our stove. As you can see, this is our stove, and then this is our exit, guys. This is the exit door. As you can see, here is our exit door towards the end of the house. So guys, up to there, if you have not yet subscribed, I will kindly just subscribe. 25,000 subscribers, I will appreciate very much, as I see my let's say my content creation career as it prosper. So thank you, and then let's meet on the next video. Bye bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now.